these will be placed right side to right side so that the mark you made for the slits is on the right side. Next I've put the two flaps together. I shan't be using an interlining, so I've just got the fabric and the facing, and you sew down the short end, round the curve and right to the end. When you've done that, make sure that you clip the corners, careful not to clip the sewing, and then you will clip off the corner like I've done, and you do that to both pieces. For the next part, where you've marked with tailor's chalk where the slit has got to be, run a line of sewing down one side to the bottom and back up again. When you've done that, cut down the slit down to the corner of the sewing without cutting the sewing. Next we're going to tack on the flap onto the slit. Start tacking just past where the slit ends, so you've got just a little bit of an overhang, and then tack all the pieces together all the way up to the top. Now we're going to do the facing that goes on the back of the flap. Where you've marked with your tailor's chalk where your slit has got to be, do exactly the same as you did on the trousers. Run a sewing line all the way along the edge to the bottom and all the way back up again on both sides. And what I've done is overlock this edge, but if you want to you can turn that over or use pinking shears. Then you attach the facing to the slits. Match up this edge and make sure that the slits meet exactly at the bottom, and then you will be sewing all the way down, all the way up. Keep going, because then you'll sew across the top, down this side, and then back up again. When you've sewn that in, all the way down here, all the way to the top, across, down and up, clip the corners, take the tacking out that was down this side on both sides, and then turn the whole flap the right way out. With the flap turned the right way out, I'm now going to put a neatening stitch along the seams, sewing down the flap side first. When you get to the bottom, move the flap out of the way, come along the bottom, and then go up the side, along the top, and do exactly the same on this side. When you get to the bottom, move the flap out of the way, and then sew up the other side. The next step then will be to put a neatening line of stitching where the tacking was that was holding the flap together. Next we're going to sew up the inside leg, going all the way up to the crotch and then all the way down the other side of the leg. Now we're going to sew down the side of the trousers, and when you get to the bottom here you'll notice that the back section is slightly wider than the front section, and it's done like this for a reason. Only sew down to your mark and then put a line of tacking stitch all the way down to the bottom just to hold it in place. Okay, now that we've sewn down the side seam and we've put our tacking all the way down to the bottom, this section here so that the whole vent goes over towards the front, and then press. Okay, at this stage I'm going to make a slight alteration to the pattern. In the instructions it says to use bias binding and to just bind off the bottom of the trousers, but I'd like mine to have a bit of a cuff at the bottom. So what I've done is I've straightened off any ends, and then I've cut a 2-inch strip of material, much longer than I need to go all the way around, and then I'm going to attach this to the bottom. I've now attached my bottom strip to the bottom of the trousers, opening up the vents, and then leave at least an inch overlap to go all the way around, and then leave at least an inch overlap on the other side. That's all going to be sewn. Okay, I've now attached the strip to the bottom of the trousers, and what we're going to do now is turn over the end, turn up the seam allowance, and then turn that down over the top, and then that will all be hand sewn down on the inside to neaten it up. We're now going to do the waistband. For this one I want my waistband to be wider than the pattern, because when it's doubled over I want to have room for 2 buttons, not just the one, because I think on the original breeches there are 2 buttons at the top. So as this is going to fit approximately a 34-inch waist, I've put a gathering stitch along the back to reduce the waist down to a 34. Then at the moment I've just pinned on my extra width waistband, and that will be sewn on very much like the cuffs I put on the end of the trousers. I've now put the waistband on, which was sewn down by hand again, and that completes the waistband. I'm now going to give everything a good press, ready for putting the buttons and the buttonholes on. Okay, here are the breeches all made up, and they've all had their buttonholes and buttons done. This is a bit different from the pattern because I wanted 4 buttons down the side and a bit of a cuff, so that bit has changed. And then coming up on the original pattern, it has a very thin waistband, but on Jack's trousers it's quite a wide waistband with 2 buttons. So I've changed that as well. I'll just pan back a bit, see if you can see. And there he is with his breeches on. And here are the breeches from the back, with the traditional saggy bottom. I think they were very fashion conscious back in those days. Anyway, those are the finished breeches.